Okay, this is the Nautical corner model with a double car garage. That one over there is the lakeside model. Okay, and because it's a corner model, the entrance is always to the side of the home. As you can see over here, this is Nautical Elevation A. This is 4,345 square feet. That includes the basement. So without the basement above grade, this is around 3,400 square feet. And here's a corner of the house. It's got a combination of limestone and brick. And there's the entrance. Big, beautiful door. So this is the Nautical model. I'm going to do a quick walk through here. And this is the entrance. Amazing finishes, as you can see. Now, some of these are upgrades because it's a model house, but you can see the tiling here to the left. You have a room over here, and you can see the crown molding and the pot lights. And this is sitting on a 50-foot lot. This is a corner model, corner lot. It's around 3,500 square feet, including the 200 square feet finished basement. Sorry, finished landing area of the basement. These do come with finished basements as well, recreational basements. The hardwood flooring is upgraded. They're going to give you that as well. Okay, and then this is your backyard. So again, this is a 50 by 90 foot corner lot. As you can see, this is the side over here. They're starting to do construction on. That's another model house. That's the lakeside model, also on a 50 lot. We'll take a look at that one after. Okay. Okay, over here, this would be your mudroom. They will take you into your garage. And as you can see here, this is your powder room on the main level. Walk-in closet. So this is where you put your boots and your jackets in the winter time when you're coming in from your garage. Double car garage. We're going into the basement. As you can see, they're going to finish the basement for you as well. Most likely a recreational build, but if we want to convert to a legal dwelling unit, we can always speak with the builder and see if they can meet some of those qualifications. And might have to be an extra, well, not might, it will be an extra charge. But we can look into that. Or you can finish the house or finish the basement to a legal dwelling unit after you move in. But as you can see, this is a recreational finish with the windows, the flooring, giving you here, big 3-piece washroom in the basement. Again, this is the basement, guys, and recreational room number 1. With a double closet. Okay, I think this is your cold storage. Yep. This is all your cold storage. Cold room. Okay. As you can see, steel pickets, metal pickets. This is also an upgrade. Okay. So walking up, you can see this is all open space over here. And to the right, you have one bedroom. Again, upgraded flooring, hardwood flooring, and smooth ceilings throughout. And you can see they have a raised ceiling over here. And big closets, double door closets in this room. Look at all that closet space they're giving you. Amazing. Okay. This is a junior ensuite, so it has its own washroom. Big, spacious, three-piece washroom with a big sink here, toilet, shower. And as you can see here, a lot of window exposure. As you can see, looking into the main streets. Okay. Now we'll go take a look at the master bedroom along with the other bedrooms here. As you can see, your laundry in the Nautical is on the second level. So you got your laundry, your washer, your sink, extended cabinetry, and you have a linen closet over here. Okay, going to the master. As you can see, very, very spacious. Got the hardwood flooring. Over here, big walk-in closet. So in the other model, they've given you two separate, a male and a female. It looks like on this one, they have a big shareable walk-in closet. Okay. And then again, a lot of window exposure looking into your backyard. And your master ensuite, spacious master ensuite. They're giving you the oval tub, standalone tub, which is beautiful. Big stand-in shower, luxurious stand-in shower, double sink with the granite countertop. Wow, look at this shower, guys. Amazing. And your toilet. Okay, let's go take a look at the other bedrooms quickly. Okay, and as you can see, this has an open to above, looking down. But this is your hallway. We already took a look at the laundry and washer, laundry room. Okay, looking down. And over here, this is bedroom 3. Spacious bedroom. Again, double closets, spacious double closets. And this one has its own washroom as well. They put a little desk here, which is nice. Bedroom. Again, junior ensuite. Tub, toilet, and sink. Okay. As you can see here, the baseboards are all upgraded as well. And looking into the site. Okay. And again, raised ceiling. Okay, and we'll take a look at bedroom number 4. Wow, very spacious bedroom. All the bedrooms here in this Nautical model, these all have their own washroom, so they're all en suites. this is bedroom number 4. A lot of window exposure. And double closet. So much space in the bedrooms, it's unbelievable. And 3-piece washroom. And another window. So many windows. The corner lots, you really benefit from the corner lot because, you know, you have a lot of window exposure. You're not, you know, siding on directly onto another house. Okay. Amazing. Windows everywhere. Wonderful, wonderful.